Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, 716 max stack. So for this problem, we are giving a max stack class, and basically we are going to do some kind of the operations. So normally for the push, pop, top, pick max, and pop max. Yeah, and so for this top, we're gonna use O1 time, and for others, we're gonna use the log n time. Yeah. Um, so it is called a max stack. It is called a max stack. So basically, because there is a peak max and pop max, they're going to be the max method. Yeah, and except that others are going to be the same, like the top, pop, or push. Yeah. We're going to use a data structure. It is called a sorted list to solve the problem, because the sorted list, we can do the we can do such kind of a push or pop operation just in log n time, and also for the peak max or pop max, we just we can just for the pop max we can just do it in log n time, and for the top we can do it in O1 time, and also for the pop we can do it in O1 time. Yeah. So let's just use this sorted list. So from the sorted containers, we're gonna import sorted list. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna prepare a stack. It's gonna be a sorted list. Let's just prepare values. So we're gonna prepare a values. Will also be the sorted list. And let's just prepare an index gonna be equal to 0. So the index is 0 because for the stack there's a sequence. It's going to be starting from index 0 to index n minus 1, or it can be anything. And for the values, basically we need to we can use the values array to check the maximum value. So this is why we're going to prepare values sorted list and stack sorted list. Yeah. So for the push, let's just put it inside of the stack. So we can use add with a tuple. So we're gonna add the index first, and with the value x. Yeah. So this is because for the stack we're gonna make a sequence, and it is sorted in increasing order. So definitely we're gonna give index first. Yeah. And similarly for the values, we're gonna use the self dot values. We're gonna add. So instead of index first, we're gonna add the values first. Yeah, because we're gonna sort the list according to the value this time for the values, and for the stack we're gonna sort it according to the index. Yeah. Now we're gonna update the index. It's gonna plus equal to 1. So this is gonna be the push, and for the pop it's exactly the same. So self dot stack dot pop. Yeah. So we're gonna pop to a tuple. It's gonna be index and value. So I and value going to be on self.stack.pop, and then we're going to use the values self.values dot remove with a tuple. It's going to be value and index. Yeah, so this is going to be exactly the same element. So here is the index value, here is the value and the index. It's going to be exactly the same element. Yeah, and we're going to return the remove the element, so we're going to return this value. Because according to the pop, we're going to remove element on top of the stack and return it. So we're going to return it. And for the top, it is on top of the stack. So self.stack minus 1. And for the value, it is 1. Yeah. So basically, we need to return this value. And the peak max, we're going to return the maximum value. So it's going to be the self.values with minus 1, and the maximum value going to be 0 index. Yeah. Now our last method is the pop max. So basically we're going to pop the maximum value. So it's going to be the value and index going to equal to self.values sorted list dot pop. Yeah. So first of all we're going to pop the maximum value. And at the same time, we're going to remove it from the stack. So self.stack, we're going to remove a tuple with index and value. So finally we're gonna return this value. Yeah, so this is a pop max method. Yeah, so basically we're gonna retrieve the maximum element in the stack. If there's no more than one element, only remove the topmost one. So we're gonna remove the topmost one. Yeah, now let me just run it and submit it. Yeah, now as you can see it works and the speed is okay, because basically this is a design problem. So except for the top and the peak max, it is O1 time, and others it is just log n time. So this is a log n time for the push and pop, and this is a log n time for the pop max. I think that's all about it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.